Hey guys, this is Keith. I am the owner of Cool Sheds, and this is a look at our delivery system. The important thing about this is you see the Cool Sheds name on the side of that truck. That is my truck that I own, and this one is driven by Jim, who's an employee of Cool Sheds. And the reason that is important is that we do not hire outside people to do our deliveries. We do them ourselves with our employees, our equipment, so that we can guarantee a good delivery for you. So you see the truck, and then that on the back is a Mule tractor. And that is one heck of a piece of equipment, and it's very important. This, of course, is our trailer. And this trailer can do lots of things. It can move sideways. It can extend out to 40 feet. So when we bring your building, it'll be sitting on this trailer. And we'll pull up in front of your house. So obviously, in a residential area, we're not going to drive this trailer across this yard to get a shed in. We're going to get our Mule tractor down and pull the shed in with the Mule tractor. So we'll drive it in. Also, you see we have block on the back of the truck. Block is important because we have to use the block to make sure the shed is level. If the ground is really at an angle or on a hill, we'll have to use a lot of block and piers, which is a little bit extra on the cost. But the important part is when we bring this trailer with your shed on it and that block and that Mule tractor, we do not charge extra for any of that. That is all standard included in your delivery when you purchase a Cool Shed. I've seen some companies that will charge for the block or make you go get your own block. To me, that's crazy. And that Mule tractor right there, that tool is essential in making deliveries. And I've seen two other companies that charge $150 extra to you, the customer, at your house if they have to pull that mule down to do the delivery. So buyer beware of those extra add-on costs that I just don't agree with. And at Cool Sheds, you're going to get a top-notch delivery with all my best equipment and my expert drivers and installers at no extra charge unless you ask us for extra stuff. We're happy to do it, but we do charge for extra stuff. Thanks a lot for checking out this video, and let us know if we can help you.